Introducing the GTools Bold Series, a stylish, practical garage storage system built for car enthusiasts, serious DIYers, and tradies who want their workspace to look as good as it performs. Available in preset 3.74 metre and 4.54 metre configurations, the Bold Series gives you a complete 2 metre tall setup without the complexity of designing every cabinet individually. The 5-drawer rolling cabinet and 7-drawer fixed cabinet gives you 12 full extension drawers for hand tools, power tools, detailing gear, and workshop essentials. The 2-door lower cabinet provides room for larger tools and equipment, while the integrated trash bin keeps offcuts and workshop mess contained. Double-layered gas-strut-assisted overhead cabinet doors deliver added durability and smooth operation, maximising vertical storage while keeping frequently used gear within easy reach. The 490mm deep stainless steel workbench gives you a durable, easy-to-clean surface for servicing, assembly, repairs and weekend projects. The universal pegboard accepts both US-style round hooks and Euro-style square hooks and accessories, so you can organise your setup around the tools and gear you already use. Integrated Australian power points and USB charging keeps battery chargers, work lights, tools and devices powered directly from your workstation. The complete system arrives together on a single pallet for easier transport. With the cabinets already prefabricated, only minor assembly is required and 2 people can generally complete the setup in around 2 hours. The GTools Bold Series, serious storage, proper workspace and standout style for people who take pride in their garage.